blend, innovation. Beijing COMENS New Materials Company Limited was founded in 1999. It is a subsidiary of Guangzhou High Technology Industrial Group Company Limited. COMENS is committed to be the #1 China supplier of high-grade polyurethane laminating adhesives, serving the flexible packaging converting industry and other industries. Since the company was founded, COMENS has become the largest and the most technically advanced local manufacturer of polyurethane adhesives, with very complete product lines covering flexible packaging laminating adhesives, polyurethane resins for ink, special polyurethane adhesives for the high-speed train, laminating adhesives for reflective materials, and structural adhesives and sealants for automotive and construction applications. End uses include food packaging, transport, aerospace, security, safety protection, printing ink and coating, electronic components, construction, furniture, and building materials. COMENS is already one of the major players in the Chinese adhesive industry and is progressing steadily to becoming a significant global supplier. In 2011, COMENS was listed on the Chinese GEM stock exchange, heralding a new stage in the company's development. Constantly maximizing our shareholders' benefit will ensure our future growth. Strategy guides direction. In order to meet rapidly growing demand, COMENS has established a packaging materials division, an elastic materials division, a photovoltaic division, a railway and a vehicle division, a water emulsion division, and a special adhesion division. The establishment of these diversified divisions highlights the aim of expanding the company from flexible packaging laminating adhesives into other profitable business sectors. As the leading local manufacturer and supplier of flexible food packaging laminating adhesives, COMENS has taken the lead in promoting food packaging health and safety by setting up a food safety department to oversee the control of all raw materials and finished products, such that they meet the strictest international standards of health and safety laws and regulations. COMENS has built a very advanced intelligent digitalized factory with DCS and MES, with an annual capacity for 60,000 tons of adhesive and resin production, together with 10 million square meters of solar panel backsheet and 10,000 tons sealants. Product safety and stability is ensured by the strong management systems that COMENS have installed to address all aspects of process control. Strength makes the brilliance. COMENS is now poised to expand from its very solid technical and manufacturing base in Beijing and Nantong to grow an international business across the globe. COMENS has 2 production bases. One is Beijing and the other is in Nantong. The company headquarters and the R&D center are in Beijing. The Beijing factory covers an area of 26,000 square meters with an annual capacity of 20,000 tons. Mainly focuses on small and medium-sized pilot production and certain regular production. Nantong COMENS New Materials Company Limited is a state-of-the-art factory. It is set up for production of adhesives, coatings, and solar panel backsheets. The Nantong production plant covers an area of 108,600 square meters and has an annual capacity of 50,000 tons. It also houses the Nantong Engineering Technology Center and is also recognized as a Credit 3A enterprise. COMENS have established a sales network backed up with the distribution centers all over China. This includes 10 offices located in Shanghai, Dalian, Zhengzhou, Xi'an, Chengdu, Guangzhou, Shantou, Wenzhou, Hangzhou, and Chongqing. COMENS closely follows the needs of its overseas customers on all 5 continents and in more than 40 countries around the world by providing cost-effective, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly bonding solutions to its customers. COMENS is gradually expanding its global market share, and with the implementation of the National The Belt and Road Initiative, COMENS will seize this opportunity to go global. Innovation creates the future. COMENS now has the most advanced R&D center for polyurethane adhesives in China. Using the research and development model of integration of production study research, COMENS is in a leading position both domestically and internationally for many of its products and some of its technology. COMENS' overall R&D capability has grown to be the market leader in the domestic industry. COMENS has successfully obtained a long list of patents and product certifications. COMENS is equipped with all the most advanced manufacturing, analytical, and test equipment. COMENS is growing fast and constantly improving its technology in order to seize new opportunities. We are determined to succeed in all challenges. COMENS green products serve both business and home. Energy-saving green technology, which is environmentally friendly.